Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 60, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, to get started, I do want to quickly mention a couple things. So number one, you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I don't actually have any screen lock right here, but the process doesn't change, and I'll be showing you this as though there was one which I don't know. Now, that's one thing. Number two, all of your data will be deleted. Now, if you don't know your screen lock, there's nothing really that you can do. But if you do know your screen lock, you can back up your device. Now, for purposes of not knowing your screen lock, you could potentially check if maybe Google has been hoovering up your data and it's being backed up to the cloud by going onto your browser on your computer, for instance, going to Google Drive, signing in and seeing what kind of photos, videos, contacts are present there. If you have the newest photos, it probably means that the device is, for the most part, backed up, which at that point that at least removes one kind of potential thing that you'd be losing, like your data. Now, if you don't know or if you aren't being backed up and you don't know your screen lock, there's not much you can do. Now, if you do know your screen lock, you could go into the settings and back it up either through Google, or you could use something like the application that is right here, Moto Migrate. This application will allow you to move your data, migrate it, like the name would imply, to other Motorola device. Now, if you don't have an other Motorola device, maybe you have an old Samsung or anything like that, you need to use the application of the device you would be moving the data to. And different brands have different names for applications that achieve the same thing. Anyway, so to get started with the actual reset, when you're on your lock screen right here, all you would need to do is press power button and volume up, which would bring up your boot options, and from here select power off. When the device turns off, you can now hold power button and volume down, and this will take us first to the bootloader. Once you see it, you can let go of both of the buttons. Next, using your volume buttons, either up or down, you want to start pressing it till you have a recovery mode like this visible on your screen. When it is visible here, press the power button. Now, before we get to the actual recovery mode, we will get a screen like this. So when you see this Android with no command, what you want to do is hold power button, and while holding it, you're going to press volume up once. And this will then redirect us to the recovery mode. In here, using volume buttons, you want to scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm it with the power button, and select Factory Data Reset, confirm that as well. It's going to tell you that it's formatting data, and then Data Wipe Complete will be the last message, at which point Reboot System Now will be selected by default, so just press power button once more. This will reboot your phone and continue resetting it in the background. Now, this process will take about 1 to 2 minutes to finish up, and when it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.